Okay, let us start with the introduction of the chapter of the poem My Mother at 66, which is composed by Kamala Das. Dear students, as we all know that aging is a natural process. Aging is a natural process. Yet the fear of separation from your loved and near ones is very painful. The fear of separation from your loved ones, near ones is very painful. The poem talks about the feeling of loneliness. The poem talks about the feeling of loneliness that aged people experience and the feeling of guilt which their offsprings, sons and daughters, experience for not being able to be with their parents in their old age. Once again, the poem talks about the feeling of loneliness. The poem talks about the feeling of loneliness which is experienced by the aged people, which is experienced by the aged people, and also the feeling of guilt of their sons and daughters which they experience for not being able to be with them, yeah, with their parents when they are in their olden age. The poem also explores the feeling of melancholy, sadness, pain that a daughter experiences while leaving her mother all by herself at a ripe old age. The agony, the pain of separation is brought forward in this poem. The pain of separation is brought out in this poem, and the poem, in a way, also sends a very strong message to the youth of modern age, yeah, youth of today. Don't be so busy in fulfilling your desires and wishes that you forget to take care of your elderly parents when they need you the most. When they need you the most. At times, situation can be binding, but one should never forget to show one's love, affection, and concern for one's parents. At all, we can say that the poet is expressing that we should not feel much more for our desires, for our wishes, and we should take care of our parents when they are having our need. We leave our parents and make ourselves busy in earning so money and we don't bother about them. We don't think about them because we are busy in fulfilling our needs. That is not fair, that is not good. We should give some time to our parents because when they are in olden age, they are in need of help and you are not present at home to help them. So, this poem is expressing the agony of separation of parents, and in this poem, you will feel the agony of separation of the poetess from her mother when she is going to leave her mother. The poet is highlighting, the poet is saying that our elders one wants love, affection, so we should give them time, we should sit with them, we should never leave them in separation, in seclusion. That is guilt, that is sin, because these parents have looked after us and nourished us very carefully, very affectionately in our childhood, and when they have become old, what are they desiring? They are desiring that we should live with our parents, We should take care of them. We should love them. We should show our concern to our parents, whatever the condition of our parents are. We should not think about that. We should only take care to them. Now, summary of the poem. The poetess was at the home of her mother, and she was about to leave for Cochin. And she is saying that while driving from my parents' home to Cochin, Kamala Das notices her mother, who was sitting beside her in the car. The mother was dozing. Her mouth was open. Dozing and open mouth always express to the physical weakness. Her mother's face was pale, colorless, wan, like a dead body. The expression on her face was clearly one of pain, born out fear of separation and old age. A sudden fear and pain crops up in the poet's mind. And she realizes that her mother is old now and could die, could pass away, leaving her all alone. Though the realization was alarming, it was hard to accept. In order to drive her thought away from the agony and pain, the poetess wanted to drive her thought away from her agony, from her pain, from her miseries. She looked out of the car. She saw that the young children were coming out of their houses. Here is the contrast. Dear students, try to understand that here is a contrast. The mother who is sitting in the car, she is old. And the children who are coming outside of their houses, they are young. It means to say there is lack of energy, power, strength in the mother, and these children are full of energy, full of enthusiasm, full of power, full of strength. So here is the contrast which the writer is expressing in this poem. Okay, the trees are racing, and the many children, happy children, are coming out of their houses, and the poetess is again seeing to her mother, and she is noticing that the mother was like late winter's moon. Why she has compared to the mother from late winter's moon? Because winter moon is always looks as it is shivering because of frost, because of mist. Okay. After the security check, when they reached at the airport, Kamala Das looked back at her mother, and Kamala Das was standing few yards away, looking sad. And the poetess sensed a familiar pain and her childhood fear that she will lose her mother one day. And that childhood fear once again came in the mind of the writer, that once she will lose her mother will die. Overcome with sorrow and fear, she bids her mother goodbye and keeps smiling to hide her real feeling. When the writer and the poetess said goodbye to her mother, she was smiling because she was hiding her real feeling.